While the world celebrates Valentine's Day today, there are lakhs of UPSC aspirants who are silently in love with something greater and bigger. A dream that can change your entire identity, a dream that gives you that purpose in life. If you do not have a date or a Valentine today, it doesn't matter, because your actual Valentine is UPSC, and the only date that matters to every UPSC aspirant as of now is 24th May. As people say, love requires a lot of commitment, sacrifices, honesty, trust, everything, what not. And all that I would like to say is, instead of promising someone forever, promise your dream that you will never give up. So that should be the motto on this Valentine's Day for you. And the last 60 days to the prelims exam can change everything. In line with this, today we are bringing you the most trusted, the most awaited program of IASBABA, that is 60-day rapid revision series, that is RaRe series of IASBABA. This is something that most of you are aware of. This is the 12th year of the launch, and legacy stands testimony to it, because that has given us great results year after year with more predictable or probability questions that we frame through this particular program. And you can check with any toppers, the previous toppers, and they'll say the same thing for you, right? So this year we have made a few changes, special changes in line with the UPSC trend, and this time the program is available both online and offline, and it is starting from 23rd Feb. With online, a dedicated portal is being set up for you, all of you, and for the offline students, a mentor is available. So that are the 2 plus points here. Coming to the most important features of this program, there are 100 high-yielding teams that we have identified, prelims experts in our team, right? With a minimum of 3 years to 3 attempts to 5 attempts clearing prelims. They have come up with this 100 themes from the last 10 years. It can be like from environment, sustainable development, renewable energy, or history, Vijayanagar Kingdom, Cholas, or terminologies used in the medieval history part of it, or with respect to polity, the philosophy of the constitution, the Supreme Court, or even since, like, say for example, speaker removal, no confidence motion is in news. So obviously we would be focusing on such topics, right? Parliament is an important topic for that matter. So things like this are identified, and these themes are different from topics, because the same themes can be divided into even 1000 topics, right? So that is the reason this is the major focus of this particular edition, with 100 high yielding themes will be given. And every day you will get 30 questions, 20 are from the core or the static part, 5 from current affairs, and 5 from CSAT. When it comes to current affairs, we have identified 300 important current affairs topics, so that you will be learning that through the questions everyday basis. So the overall idea is not to bombard you with a lot of questions, and especially with current affairs, you know that it is just like an ocean, and it is very difficult to understand and get what is important, what is not important. So we have done that job for you here. And after you cover every core subjects, like say polity, that you will be given a full length revision test series of polity only, geography only, so it gets covered. So along with that, you will have 3 full length tests of GS and CSAT also, right? So all in all, you will be solving around minimum 3500 questions here. Clear? And when it comes to CSAT, we have not taken that lightly, and neither you should be taking it lightly, because the level and the question difficulty is also increased. So we have kept in tune with that, and we have framed these questions. So even if you can solve all these questions, 5 questions every day for the next 60 days, right, it will do a lot of wonders. It will help you to definitely sail through, because even here we have identified the most important themes on which the questions have been framed, like number system, ages or averages, or speed and distance, all this, right? Everything is covered here. And finally, the PYQs. So on the dedicated portal we have segregated the last 10 years PYQs in terms of topic wise, and you can take this test anytime you want to. So that is the flexibility that is given here. So all that I would like to say is, this 60 days can be a big impact can be made here. And make sure that your date with UPSC on May 24th. Finally, I would like to say that this 60 days can make a big impact in your preparation. And on this date, that is your date with UPSC on 24th May, that will definitely check your confidence, your commitment, your honesty, everything that is associated with love, right? So we'll make sure that with the rapid revision series, that 60-day plan, that we'll guide you every step in every way that we can, and make the best use of this opportunity, and make sure that every day counts, and at the by the end of the 60-day you become the best or better version of yourself, right? And wish you all the best, and thank you.